After coming out ahead in his battle with cancer, a local man is now in a battle with his insurance company. Landon McBride looked into this for us today, and Landon, this battle is over as much as $100,000.
That's right. After Randy Montgomery's insurance company sent checks to MD Anderson to pay for treatment, he's now being told he must pay all of that money back. When Randy Montgomery was diagnosed last November with throat cancer, he chose not to pursue traditional radiation treatment. Even though he was told insurance would not cover the costs, Montgomery went with proton therapy in hopes of avoiding severe side effects down the road.
When you're radiating in the neck, in the tonsil is where mine started. When you're radiating in that area, you have brainstem, you have thyroid, you have tongue, roof of the mouth, all kinds of areas, jawbone. Once you do all that radiating with conventional radiation, 5 to 10 years down the road, your jawbone crumbles.
Montgomery says it was during his proton treatment that checks started coming in, and he wondered if Blue Cross Blue Shield had turned around on the decision not to pay.
I asked MD Anderson that same question. I said, does this mean they're reversing it? They said, without a letter from them, they have to send us a letter that's saying they're going to reverse it. Once we have the letter in hand, then we'll know they're going to do that. But now all we know is they're paying the claims.
Months after Montgomery completed treatment, he heard from Blue Cross Blue Shield again.
The end of July, I went to my mailbox. I had 27 letters from Blue Cross Blue Shield, each one of them stating on this date, you had this treatment, which was medically unnecessary. We paid that claim in error, so we need that money back.
Montgomery says it could come to as much as $100,000, but he'd do it all again.
I would do this in a heartbeat again, because just the stories you hear, and while we were there for 6.5 weeks, we saw people that obviously could not go against their insurer and had to do it the other way. And it was horrific.
Montgomery was told he has a 98% chance of being cancer-free in 5 years, but at least one battle appears to be far from over. Montgomery says a GoFundMe page has been set up, and some people have said they will hold benefits to help him raise that money. We'll have a link to those inside this story at Texomashomepage.com.
Okay, Landon, thank you. Now, we reached out to Blue Cross Blue Shield today for more information. We were told that they are unable to comment on a specific case.